Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we're going to show you how to use ChatGPT for Instagram marketing. Are you looking for a way to integrate ChatGPT or other AI software for Instagram marketing? Stay tuned because this video is for you. All right, so we are now in ChatGPT. This is a free version. You can go ChatGPT Plus for I don't know how much because I don't plan on buying premium because the free version does the job for me. So Instagram marketing is something that people do to use the social media site Instagram to market their business, their products or services, or their brand. And there's a variety of ways to do it. You do videos. You pretty much uh, generate content, create content aimed at your viewers or audience or what do you call that? Crowd or market, right? So how can you do these? You can do YouTube Shorts. I mean, Instagram Reels. You can do Instagram posts. You can do static and video and audio. Uh, you can also do marketing campaigns, campaign ads, and connect with other people within your industry or your niche and just network. So there's a lot of things you can do. But the thing about Instagram marketing is that you don't really need to have any experience in marketing on social media or in Instagram specifically. You could use ChatGPT to help you and think for you. And then after that, just sort things out. So one of the things you can do is uh, and by the way, before we start, you need to prompt ChatGPT as somebody who is experienced in not only online marketing but marketing on Instagram. So you would need ChatGPT to act as an Instagram marketing specialist. So you prompt it like this, like act as an Instagram marketing strategist and come up with 10 different ways on how to um, use Instagram to for a business brand or service, right? And let it just do its thing. As you can see, we asked for 10 and it posted 10, right? So we can go over it. As you can see, it says, as an Instagram marketing strategist, I can provide you with 10 different ways to effectively use Instagram for your business, brand, or service. These strategies can help you increase your brand visibility, engage with your target audience, and drive more traffic and conversions. Here are the 10 strategies. Create a visually appealing profile. Optimize your Instagram profile by using a clear and recognizable profile picture, right? Develop a content strategy. Plan and create content calendar to ensure a consistent flow of engaging posts. Use a mix of high quality photos, videos, user generated content, and graphics to keep your audiences interested. Like what I said earlier, static, video, audio, whatever. Leverage Instagram stories. Utilize Instagram stories to share behind the scenes content, product launches, special offers, and time sensitive promotions. Stories provide an excellent opportunity to connect you with your audience in a more authentic and immediate way. So Instagram stories are a good way because it's very not really random but targeted towards like like the algorithm shows you what you click or what you are looking for or what you're attuned to on social media. So for example, you're a clothing brand and somebody goes over Instagram stories or posts that are fashion related, your Instagram story will likely be shown in their feed. So, yeah, Instagram stories is very good. Number four, engage with your audience, reply to comments, and answer direct messages, and acknowledge user generated content. So, a lot of people make the mistake once they blow up or once their brand or their business become bigger and they stop engaging with people. And that's the reason why Gary Vee is such a huge brand is because he still replies mostly. He's still because there's so many people, thousands, hundreds of millions of people replying to Gary Vee, which is Gary Vaynerchuk, for your information. And one of the main reasons why he's so beloved is because like he like outside his content, he goes out of his way, and he even says this to his well in one of his posts that his CEO friends, like millionaire like business people, are angry at him for still, even at that height of success and money, he still goes out of his way to engage with his audience. So engaging with the audience is very vital to the success of your marketing strategy or your online content. Number five, use relevant hashtags. So hashtagging is, like we can ask ChatGPT to do this for us. Number six, collaborate with influencers. Partner with influencers who align with your brand values and have a strong presence on Instagram. They can help you reach a larger audience and promote your products or services. So this is a part of networking. If you have the money, or maybe you have, if you have the money, maybe reach out and you can pay influencers to like review or experience your products or services, and they're probably going to leave a review that their audiences can see, which gives you more exposure. Or if you don't have the financial muscle for it, you can reach out to smaller influencers and be like, hey, we're going to give you uh, free stuff to try out, and in return, review it for us, right? So it's kind of like a give and take relationship on a smaller scale. Number seven, run contests and giveaways. This is very self-explanatory. Number nine, post user-generated content. Share customer testimonials, reviews, and user-generated content to showcase the positive experience people have with your brand. So a lot of people fake this. So a lot of reviews and whatnot are fake or generated. Botting has been a huge problem for years now. But for smaller businesses, smaller brands, this goes a long way. If you have genuine, authentic reviews and testimonials by clients or customers, that is very important, right? A lot of people are slowly getting caught up with how bots work online. Sure, a lot of them are now more advanced and may sound like and may seem like real people, but are not. People have instincts, so they would know if the testimonials or reviews that are left on your page is real or not, right? And number 10, analyze and optimize. Use Instagram Insights or third-party analytic tools to track your performance, measure engagement, and identify your best performing content. Use this data to optimize your strategy and make informed decisions for future campaigns. So optimizing, pretty much min-maxing to make sure your campaign or your marketing strategy is more efficient and more productive. So yeah, that's pretty much it. You can dive. We could ask like ChatGPT before we leave. We could ask ChatGPT to like, can you dive deeper on number one, right? And it's gonna explain creating a visually appealing, right? Here you go, visually appealing profile, right? Let it do its thing. So create a visually appealing profile, right? And now it says, let's dive deeper into the first strategy of creating a visually appealing profile on Instagram. And it gives you 8 profile picture, bio, link, highlights, aesthetic consistency, quality. So you can dive deep with any of these and you can go even deeper. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next one.